Tired of manually transferring web form submissions into spreadsheets? Let's dive into a super easy way to automatically capture data from your web forms, like this one, and send it directly to Google Sheets using Zapier. This is a great way to use data collection for reporting. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as an automated workflow. Now, choose your web form map as the trigger. Zapier connects with tons of different forms, like Google Forms, Typeform, JotForm, and many more. Select whichever one you are using. Next, select Google Sheets as the action app. This tells Zapier where to send the data. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your accounts for both the web form and Google Sheets. Follow the instructions to grant Zapier access. Don't worry, it's secure. Now, specify which web form you want to use and the exact Google Sheet where you want the data to be logged. Here's the magic part. Map the fields from your web form to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the name field in the form to the name column in your sheet. Time for a test run. Zapier will send a sample submission to your Google Sheet to make sure everything is connected correctly. Check your Google Sheet to confirm the data appears in the correct columns. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap, and that's it. Now every time someone submits your web form, the data will automatically appear in your Google Sheet, saving you tons of time and effort. Happy automating!